Welcome back. Emotions run high when the stock market is giving you amazing returns. They also hit hard when the stock market plummets. So how can we protect ourselves and our cash from falling prey? Edward Jones is sending us Gabe Rockers today. Hi, Gabe.
Hi there. How are you guys?
We're doing good. So tell us all about this emotional attachment we have to our portfolios.
Well, absolutely. So I think a lot of investors would agree or have heard that emotions should be removed from your investment plans and your investment strategies. And two key emotions, fear and greed, I would entirely and totally agree with. That because as investors, we want to buy low and then sell high. If we remove those two emotions, we have an easier time accomplishing that. But when fear is at its highest stake, that's usually when you guys are doing a tremendous job of reporting and letting us know that markets are in turmoil and that things across the globe are maybe fairly unsteady. And that's very normal to have a market pull back and to have those periods in time. But that fear emotion will drive somebody to sell something that may be very appropriate and may have really solid parameters for how it could return in the future. And then just the opposite, when it comes to greed, individuals may watch the news talking about the market doing really good things, may get excited to purchase things to try to advance their plan. And in reality, they may be buying too high, and the value of what they're buying may already be overpriced, and therefore you're not able to buy as much, and a downturn is probably going to be on the horizon. So again, those two emotions are the emotions that we'd like to remove from our investment strategy to get the most optimal outcomes.
So what is your suggestion to some of us who may be considered a bit emotional?
Well, so first and foremost, you can lean on a financial professional who is educated and coached to follow the markets on a daily basis and to try and remove or mitigate those emotions from your decision making. I mean, the focus should really be, what are you trying to accomplish with your money? And if in that goal, you think about the happy emotions, the joy, the happiness, the love, for example, if that'll allow you to stay more focused on the long-term goals and maybe not get too jumpy in terms of fearful at the wrong time or greedy at the wrong time.
It is true. You always have to be looking forward, right? Looking ahead. Trying to plan.
If you want to have the most successful wealth outcomes, yes, to be very planned and prepared, and then focused and diligent with the removal of those two emotions that we touched on today will allow you to keep the eye on the prize and the focus on that long-term goal.
Gabe Rockers, thanks for being with us tonight.
Thank you guys for having me.
Thank you. Hey, we're going to take a break and we'll be back.